Okay, welcome back. This is a very simple question. You know the compound ratio, okay, C or etc. That means what? X is to 16. I told already, right? Is to means ratio means you want to make division. So x divided by 16, and you know stand is always operator of multiplication. 81 is to y. 81 is to means what? 81 divided. Always is to means divided. Okay, 81 divided by y. That's equal to is means equal to what is 9 and 16? 9 by 16. Okay, it's very simple. We want to make it a cross multiplication. So that means what? 16 by 9 into x by 16 into 81 divided by y. Come inside. 16 by 9 into x by 16 into 81 divided by y. 16 got cancelled. 9 is 9, is it right? So we can write x by 1 into 9 divided by y is equal to 1, because here I just forgot to write the 1 equation. It's very simple. So how we can make the value of ratio? So you take the value of x is, because under the thing you have to make, okay, what is under the x? 1. So I make it as a 1k. Okay, now the value of y is, it's very simple what I'm telling. What is the y under it? So 9. You don't think of y is below or like that. Okay, that is about 9k. So 9 is terms of constant k. Okay, so how we can make the compound ratio means, you know, listen here, they are given the question as very simple. Just you have to make it of y minus x is to, okay, make the bracket is to 24 and etc. That means what? You want to make a multiply, and 30 is to x plus y. Okay, so how it is can write y minus x divided by 24 into 30 divided by x plus y. They have only asked, is it right? So simple, what you do, you just apply x equal to 1k, y equal to 9k, is it right? So if you do so means what? Y equal to 9k minus 1k divided by 24 into 30 divided by 1k plus 9k is equal to question mark. So what's 9k minus 1k? 8k divided by 24 into 30 divided by what is 9 plus 1? 10k. 10k, is it right? So we're gonna cancel kk, okay, and 8 divided by 3, then here you can make it a cancel of 10, is it right? So automatically, so here, yes, this 0 you can cancel, it's equal to 1, is it right? So automatically the k goes to the value of, because all things are cancelled. So answer is about simple thing, it is about 1. If anything, if you have a doubt means you can ask me. Okay, thank you very much.